hate that it's big up here.
Yeah, me too.
I wish the sleeves would be like right here.
Well, I got ribbon. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Nope.
Let's rotate on that bed.
Did you want to pull up the blow-up bed?
My pillow kept falling off the bed.
You know what we do tonight? Put a chair right there. Put a chair right there. Push the icebox up again.
Man, how was that last night? Oh. I'm pretty refreshed.
Come out down further.
It's super empty in here, Becky.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Someone right in the throat.
Right in the kitchen. I just hit the shot. That's light. That's my bad.
No, there's video. I meant to have you in it.
Paul. That's unfortunate. Sorry, Governor. Hey, guess what?
What?
Dylan Gonzalez.
Huh?
From Dylan Gonzalez Island.
Where?
See on the flip side, guys.
He's a retard. Morning.
Because this is what it is.
Once we do this, then we'll casually walk through, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because we're doing that now. Okay, now we're going to have to look at the map so we cover everything.
Covered in the Western world until about 1901. They are very shy. For many years, they were magnificent creatures, kind of like unicorns. That's not how often they were seen. And they are one of the fewer animals where the females can grow to be larger.
Try and hold it as steady as you can while you do it. That's an action shot. That's the best I could do.
But since we are coming around to the watering hole, be on the lookout for a black rhino. That is one of the rare species in the water over there. Now there's less than 5,000 of these beautiful animals left in the world today, and that is due to poaching for their horns. So the African elephants have a matriarchal system which means
into the wild, into Bolivia, where these guys are found, along with some blue-throated macaws.
Ooh, he flew right past my head. You saw that?
Yeah.
They were hoping that they meet up in the wild, and cute little blue-throated babies will be able to get the numbers of these guys up out there, because we do not want blue-throated macaws.
The real thing, the macaw?
Because part of your ticket sales are actually going towards Disney's conservation fund, which to date has donated.
Almost done.
Oh, check her
Here's
out.
my visa again.
Looking good.
Even if we don't
Stop video.
Hey, these are memories.
That's
You
right.
gotta have them. Because I'm on his side. Because when I go on vacation, oh, my kids just get, this is what I get. Half of my stuff is like they're all their hands.
That is a very new thing for me, a woman on my side.
So I got some leverage. I'm like, okay, you want to hit the next gift shop? Then you better give me a picture without your hand. and you
That's
need
right.
your face. So, we're in that way.
Okay, well, if you want to go come and do it, we'll wait for you when we get out. We're going to be in them shops trying to cross away from it. Okay. They're not waiting the 7-minute rate, are they?
70.
No, they're not. They're coming here to do this. And then I said we'll wait for them outside outside.
Yeah. Going all right.
Deposit your bagage in the bins located outside the theater.
Hey Raymond, do you want to watch that movie?
Yes.
No, so do I. Ashton, do you want to watch the movie with the glasses? Okay, hold on, we're going to try to find it. Okay? Ashton, you need to stay sitting down. I'm sorry.
No, you got it, girl.
Maybe sit down right here. There's a lot of people. There's a lot of people.
What are you doing? You son of a bitch.
Minus 10 seconds and counting.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the Iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll! Okay, now let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little one.
Oleoramus. Hadrosaur. Raptor.
Time to get serious. Locking autopilot on homing signal now. Hang on! I'm tracking a big dino on the scope. Could be ours. Computer, full stop. Identify.
Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go!
Forest Cafe would like to welcome Chad. Safari is 7. Please refresh for development. Your Safari is leaving without you, Chad. Safari is 7.
I wonder if I should get this beanie. You know?
That's up to you, bud.
What's the best thing at Disney World? The ride.
So we're gonna use Queen Williams today? Yeah.
What ride?
I'm gonna ride the Haunted Mansion. What do you get?
Mama's enjoying that drink.
On the other side, there'll be skin on it. Or you just basically pull it out. I think it's like you pull it.
It's often in like
Yeah, we should. Doing that one right there. Yeah, but there's room on both sides.
Go down there, maybe.
No, let's go right into this one. Right here.
Right here.
There's more than enough room in here. It's in the middle.
Here,
No, we're good.
I'm gonna let Dad sit on the end.
No, we're good.
So he can watch.
Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. To our left-hand side are Disney's Palm and Disney's Magnolia golf courses at the Shades of Green Resort. These award-winning courses are part of the annual PGA Tour each fall.
Well, there's no way we're going to finish the game. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are currently holding for further traffic clearance. Please remember to stay clear of all automatic doors. If you're standing, please continue to hold on to the silver handrails.
Can I get it in there again? Yeah.
This is what?
Sparta? Sparta?
To those guests who just joined us, welcome. Our next stop is the Magic Kingdom. For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrails throughout our journey and stay clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please.
Got the Pensacola River?
Huh?
The river.
That's where we're going to be. There's a speed racer right there. See it? Over there, Blue?
Oh, that smaller one. Over there.
Yeah.
Over there.
Look, I see some over there. The Grand Floridian. We're going to go all around here.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are approaching our station at the entrance of Main Street, USA, gateway to the 17 lands of the Magic Kingdom. Smoking is not permitted in the Magic Kingdom, except in designated areas. Please consult your guide map or ask a cast member for locations. If you are exiting, please hold on to the handrails and stand clear of the doors until the monorail stops completely and the doors open. For those of you remaining on board, our next stop will be Disney's Contemporary Resort with continuing service to the Transportation and Ticket Center and Disney's Polynesian Resort. If you're traveling to any other Walt Disney World Resort hotel, buses and watercraft depart from this station. If you are traveling to Epcot, please remain on board. You'll need to change monorails just 2 stops away at the Transportation and Ticket Center.
Yep.
Ladies and gentlemen, please watch your head and step as you exit, and take small children by the hand.
I think we've got to go out that way.
Waiting for your car, please move across to make room.
But everyone is standing.
Once again, if you are traveling to Epcot, please remain on board.
Don't want to go, you big dummy.
These monorails at the Transportation and Ticket Center. As you board,
Dude had a gummy bear stuff.
When them last people got on, it smelled like shit in there. That whole time I wasn't fucking videoing.
Yeah, that's an Adventureland. What number was that?
No, that.
This way.
Yeah, I don't think we really came over here.
We can go right back here and eat at this terrace restaurant if y'all don't want to. That burger was good.
Yeah, we can. Where? Here? The place that we ate at.
Yeah, that's the place we ate. I'd eat there again. There's another place right here. The lunching pad. See? We got some food.
We got entertainment.
Yeah, that's right.
I really didn't want that.
Esté sentado y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la sala. Y por favor, cuide a sus pequeñitos. Chao.
Ha ha ha.